I've got two quilts in front of me. They're very simple to make. They're made with very different palettes of fabric, and just how different they look too. It's a pattern called Delilah. It's been designed by a friend of mine, Jane Czaja, and it is a downloadable pattern. So this was the first quilt that I made. It takes 41 5-inch squares, and then she asks you to take 2 fat quarters to make into strips. My first quilt, which is the brown one here, I just used very traditional, 2-inch cut and a big bit of fabric. So anything that I fell in love with. I liked it blue, but it could have been any of these other fabrics. This one, however, I thought I wanted this blue, which has been used in the quilt. So for me, it would bleed in if I just added that on here. So what I've got here is a little flat fillet.